Is your engine running rough or lacking power? Spark plugs are vital for engine combustion, creating the electrical spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture in each cylinder. When they wear out or foul, your engine's performance suffers dramatically. Let's identify the symptoms so you can catch this problem early. Engine misfires during acceleration. The engine may feel like it's stumbling or shaking, especially during acceleration or under load. Bad spark plugs can fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture in one or more cylinders, causing noticeable misfires. Spark plugs have electrodes that wear down over time from millions of ignition cycles, increasing the gap and weakening the spark. When the spark becomes too weak or fails completely, that cylinder doesn't fire. The driver feels a jerking, stumbling sensation, particularly when accelerating or climbing hills when the engine needs maximum power. The car shakes or vibrates abnormally because one or more cylinders aren't contributing power, creating an imbalance in engine operation. This misfire becomes more pronounced under load when strong sparks are most critical for efficient combustion. Rough idle with engine vibration. At idle, a bad plug can make the engine idle unevenly or roughly. You might feel a vibration through the car or see the tachometer needle dancing. The engine isn't running on all cylinders smoothly. When spark plugs fail, the affected cylinders don't fire consistently or at all during idle. The driver feels excessive vibration through the steering wheel, seat, and floor that wasn't present before. The tachometer needle bounces or oscillates instead of holding steady. The engine sounds uneven with an irregular rhythm instead of a smooth hum. At idle, engines are most sensitive to misfires because each cylinder's contribution is more noticeable. The rough idle often smooths out slightly at higher RPMs, but returns immediately when stopped at traffic lights. Extended cranking. Worn plugs make it harder to start the engine. The car may crank longer than normal before firing up, or it may sputter a bit as it catches. In cold weather especially, bad spark plugs can make starting a pain. Starting requires strong sparks to ignite the air-fuel mixture when the engine is cold and compression is low. Worn spark plugs with eroded electrodes and carbon buildup can't generate sufficient spark energy. The driver turns the key and the engine cranks repeatedly for several seconds before finally catching and running. Sometimes it starts, then immediately dies, requiring multiple attempts. Cold weather exacerbates the problem because fuel doesn't vaporize as easily, requiring even stronger sparks that worn plugs can't provide, leaving you stranded on cold mornings. Poor acceleration. If your car feels sluggish or unresponsive when you hit the gas, spark plugs could be the cause. Acceleration may be jerky or lackluster because the engine isn't firing on all cylinders efficiently. Each cylinder should fire precisely when needed to produce smooth, strong power. When spark plugs fail, affected cylinders contribute little or no power during acceleration. The driver presses the accelerator expecting normal response, but the car accelerates slowly and reluctantly. Passing other vehicles or merging onto highways becomes difficult and dangerous. The engine revs but doesn't produce proportional power because misfiring cylinders waste fuel without contributing torque. The sluggish feel is particularly noticeable compared to how the car performed when new or after previous spark plug replacements. Reduced fuel economy. Failing spark plugs can seriously hurt your MPG. Misfires and incomplete combustion waste fuel. If you notice you're refilling the tank more often despite the same driving habits, plugs might be to blame. When spark plugs don't ignite the air-fuel mixture efficiently, unburnt fuel exits through the exhaust instead of producing power. The engine computer compensates for weak combustion by injecting more fuel, further reducing efficiency. The driver notices fuel economy dropping by 10, 20, or even 30% compared to normal. Tank range decreases noticeably and fuel costs increase. The wasted fuel literally goes out the tailpipe unburned, polluting more while delivering less power. Replacing worn spark plugs often immediately restores normal fuel economy, paying for itself quickly through fuel savings. Engine hesitation. The car might hesitate, momentarily losing power, during acceleration or cruise due to inconsistent combustion. You may feel the engine stumble or hear it sputter when a plug isn't igniting properly. Worn or fouled spark plugs fire inconsistently, sometimes producing adequate spark and other times failing completely. The driver experiences momentary power loss or stumbling, feeling like the engine is choking or gasping for air. During steady highway cruise, the car might suddenly lose power briefly, then recover. During acceleration, there's a noticeable hesitation or flat spot where power delivery interrupts. The sputtering sound accompanies the feeling as misfiring cylinders create irregular exhaust pulses. This intermittent nature makes the problem frustrating and unpredictable while driving. Check engine light illuminated. Modern cars will usually trigger a check engine light for misfires, often code PO3UX. A bad spark plug is a frequent cause of those misfire codes. If the CEL is on and blinking, that indicates active misfiring, often due to spark issues. The engine computer monitors combustion in each cylinder using crankshaft position sensors. When a cylinder misfires, the computer detects the irregularity and logs a diagnostic code. The driver sees the check engine light illuminate steadily for stored misfires or blinking for active ongoing misfires. Scanning reveals codes like P300 for random misfires or P301 through P308 indicating specific cylinder misfires. A blinking check engine light indicates severe misfires that can damage the catalytic converter and requires immediate attention to prevent expensive repairs. Engine surging. You might experience the engine surging, speeding up slightly, then dropping, at steady throttle. This buck or surge can happen when spark is inconsistent across cylinders. The engine computer constantly adjusts fuel delivery based on sensor feedback to maintain smooth operation. When spark plugs fire inconsistently, the computer receives confusing signals about combustion efficiency. The driver maintains steady throttle on flat highway, but feels the car surge forward slightly, then lose momentum in a rhythmic pattern. The tachometer shows RPM fluctuating by 100 or 200 RPM without throttle input changes. This hunting or surging behavior results from the computer trying to compensate for misfires by adjusting fuel delivery, creating an unstable feedback loop that produces the characteristic bucking sensation. Unusual exhaust odor. Misfiring plugs can lead to unburnt fuel in the exhaust, sometimes producing a gasoline smell from the tailpipe. In some cases, you might even get mild backfiring or popping sounds, especially during deceleration, due to unburnt fuel igniting in the exhaust system. When cylinders misfire, raw unburnt fuel passes into the hot exhaust system. The driver smells a strong gasoline odor from the exhaust, much stronger than normal. Popping or backfiring sounds occur when this unburnt fuel ignites in the exhaust manifold or catalytic converter from residual heat. During deceleration with throttle closed, more unburnt fuel accumulates and ignites, creating distinct popping sounds. This not only wastes fuel but can damage the catalytic converter, turning a simple spark plug replacement into an expensive catalytic converter replacement if ignored too long.